how to collaborate on Instagram Reels. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on how you can collaborate on Instagram Reels, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, collaborating on Instagram Reels is actually quite simple. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch the Instagram application, and then you're going to be able to set this sort of interface. Tap the plus icon from the bottom of the screen, and here you can simply go to the Reel tab. Once you go to the Reels tab, you can just select a certain video that you would like to choose to collab on, and once you have done that, just tap the next option. It's nothing sort of a difficult process. Just tap on the tag people option, and as you try to tag them, you'll find the option called invite collaborators. So tap on invite collaborators, search for the person you would like to invite as a collaborator, and they will get successfully invited as a collaborator on Instagram. This way you should be able to collaborate on Instagram Reels. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in our next video.